Alright, this is going to be the trapping rainwater problem in 2 minutes. If we go through an array of blocks, we can store water where there is a left side and a right side. So we're going to need a pointer on the left and a pointer on the right, which starts at the other end of the array, to find the lefts and the rights. So if we think of a really big example like this, no matter what's in the middle, which we're finding with our left and right pointers, we are always able to store potentially up to the maximum height. So we need a left max and we need a right max to store those max heights. We're going to move through the array with a while loop. And let's draw another example. Let's say we have like a staircase up here. We store a new max height in the left at each point. If we're storing a max, we don't store water. Why is that? Because the water will just run down the side. Finish off this example here. If we get to a higher point than the other side, let's say we get a new left max, which is here, then we want to start moving along the right side. Why do we do that? Because if we try to store water at the highest point, it's going to fall to the next lower level. Basically, we are limited by the minimum height. So if you have a height here and a height here, we can only store water up to the smaller one. So let's move through. If the height of the left is less than the height in the right, then we want to move through the left because we know we're limited by the left side because the right is bigger, so we need to find what we can actually store depending on the left side. If the height of the left is greater than the left max, we don't want to store water, we want to store the new left max. The reason is the water will run down the side if we try to store it. Else we add to the total, and remember we're limited, whenever we're moving through the left, we're limited by the left side, so we use the left max to calculate the potential height of the water. Else we do all this, and now this is the annoying bit where we do all the typing and stuff. I don't know a faster way to do this, except when we're incrementing we decrement because we're going backwards. And then let's see if we can run this and it works. That was 2 minutes 6 seconds total on the recording. There we go. Oh, by the way, before you go, if anyone's hiring an artist, I'm free.